Next question is, a new unit of length is chosen such that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. What is the distance between the sun and earth in terms of the new unit? Okay, if light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to cover this distance, when the light is coming from sun to earth, okay, we have to calculate sun distance between sun and earth. Okay, so here the speed of the light in vacuum, that is equals to 1 unit of length second per second, time taken by light to reach the earth from the sun. So that is time is that given in question, that is 8 minute 20 second. 8 minute 20 second. That 8 minute into that 8 minute into next 60 second plus 20 second. Although we are converting into seconds, your 8 minutes 20 second, if you converted into second, we will get 500 second, because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 8 minute into 60, we will get 480 plus 20, that is 500. Okay, next, distance between the sun and earth equals to speed of light into time. So x equals to distance equals to speed of light into time. Now the speed of light we are considering as 1 new unit of length. 1 new unit of length per second, that is already given in question. We got 500 second into 500 second, we got 500 new unit of length. This is the final answer.